Okay, the bees are coming. I'm at a little bit of a social distance over here so that I don't get stung. But I'm getting closer so that you guys can see. I'll just zoom in a little bit. Michael is spraying some sort of smoke, and he's got on his astronaut-looking suit. And let's see, those wooden boxes are where the bees are gonna go in. And there's some kind of trays with honeycomb type things on them that he puts in there, and they make their honeycombs on. In the cardboard boxes are the bees right now. He's going to be transferring them from the cardboard boxes into the wooden boxes. So we'll just watch and see what happens. If this video ends quite suddenly, it means I have been stung and I am going to run away. All right, there's one tray of bees. That's as far as I can zoom in. It's some sort of tray, just like the other ones that he took out. And he's looking at it, I don't know why, but it's full of bees. And now he's sliding it into one of the wooden boxes, which will be their home. I can see, oh, he just said there's the queen.
Got the queen on this cell.
All right, he's putting in the queen right now. I don't know how good the video is, but I can see bees buzzing all around him, but they don't seem to be, you know, bothered or anything. They're just, you know, getting moved and learning where their new home is going to be. I'm certainly not going to get any closer though.
Lots of nice taproot, some pollen in there.
Now that one that he just put in is one of the blanks, and the idea is that the bees will eventually fill those up with their excess honey, which we will be able to take. I'll see if I can get brave and walk a little closer. They seem to be staying pretty close to the hive.
Gotta make a little more room, they're still a little tight there.
pretty close now. Oh, some are buzzing around me. I'll just hold still. I don't have on a bee suit like Michael does, so I'm not going to get any closer. I can hear them though. Never thought I'd be this close to several thousand bees and be this calm, but yet here I am.
We're gonna leave this one here so they can fly in and out. Get oriented.
All right, and there we go for hive number 1. Stay tuned for hive number 2.